Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'll show you how you can create folders on the home screen. So at the first I'm going to adjust maybe these icons. So if you want to create folder, we have to click, hold and then drag application for another one. When you make it, the folder will be open, so we can change name. When you click done, it will be finished. When you click outside, it will be closed. And you can add other icons just like that. You can move that folder like any other icon for another screen, for example. And when you click and hold it, you can delete that folder. And as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.